What is it, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime with just dish soap and flour. And salt is optional, but salt makes everything more better. So let's get straight into the video. You'll be needing Dawn dish soap. I got mine Dawn dish soap from the Walmart. You'll be needing all-purpose flour. I got mine from the dollar store. And you'll be needing salt. I got mine from a meat shop, I believe. Salt is optional, but I feel like salt makes it into a really slimy texture. So as we go on into the video, you'll realize that I am not really getting good angles, but you'll see that I get the perfect angle right in the middle of the video. You guys will see I'll get the perfect angle where I can see everything. And I know I'm not really making sense anymore because I'm not saying any words because my mouth just did that weird echo thing. I don't know. I don't understand life sometimes. So I'm giving you guys an overview real quick, and now I'm bringing you guys a little bit closer. I know you guys, it's really hard to tell, but you guys can't really see the flour because it's really white. But there are no measurements in this. Just add as much as you want until you get the right consistency. And I add in little bits of soap at a time so I get the correct consistency, because you don't want to add in too much soap and then it gets all watery and then you need to waste more flour. I'm pretty sure no one wants to do that. So I'm mixing the soap in, and sorry about my sniffles, I'm kind of sick. So I'm mixing the soap and the flour in, and it's really hard kneading it together because there's not enough soap in it to bring it all together. So now I'm going to put in a lot of soap so I don't have to keep doing it all the time. So now I'm going to give you guys a quick overview. So that's as much soap as I used. Alright, so that's the overview of how much soap I just used. And I know you guys are wondering, how can you make slime with flour? And no. The trick is to use more soap and salt than the flour. The flour, if you don't really use salt, you'll basically just get Play-Doh. Because if you use a lot of salt, it gets really watery, and then it gives it the slime texture. And then the soap absorbs a little bit of that water. So then you'll have the perfect, really watery, and then the soap absorbs all of that, just a little bit of water, and then the flour, which is the base, makes it into the shape that you want. So basically the flour is the shape, the salt is the water, the soap is the conductor. And by conductor, I mean something that absorbs everything. So basically, the soap is what's holding this whole entire thing together. So if you try to make slime with just flour and salt, good luck. And like I said in the beginning, the salt is optional, but I prefer salt so you can get the perfect consistency. But if you don't have salt, that's perfectly fine. You can use sugar. No, you can't use sugar. I never tried it with sugar. Now I'm just making up lies. Okay. So, don't worry about that, guys. I just got a cut on my finger from when I was cutting apples and opening up some caramel, so I can have some caramel apple slices, which are my favorite. So don't worry about that cut. And I'm just taking a little bit of the slime off my hands because I want you guys to actually see the slime ball and not my hands. If you have gloves, I suggest wearing them because this gets really messy. And the best way to wash this off is with dish soap, not hand soap, dish soap, and hot water, because the dish soap is more stuff in it to clean your hands than regular hand soap, because dish soap is meant for dishes and to tackle tough stains, and if you put that on your hands, it'll get all the slime off of it. So I suggest dish soap and hot water. So I'm just adding in a little bit of slime. Oh my god. I'm adding in a little bit of salt into the slime, so the slime will get the correct consistency that everybody wants. Now you guys can add in as much as you want until you get the correct consistency that you want. But for me, this was the consistency that I was satisfied with, and it felt very, very slimy and playful. I'm just adding in a little bit more soap so it can get the right consistency. How can I forget about the ASMR? Let's go. So I'm going to lay my slime down, and it's got really slimy on my hands, so let's do this. See, look. Okay, so that's the ASMR. Oh, it's not done yet, so I still have to go like this. See, look.